guys, it's Kimmi. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Enjoy the video. Once we get in the car, I'll let her tell you her story, because like I said, she ain't about to stand out here in the sun. Stand by. We about to get to the car. Y'all can drop y'all questions though. Hey, notary down south girl, my sister became a notary a second ago, so she about to tell y'all her story right quick. Hold on, I'm so excited. My people was like, not the one who said she don't like documents.
Yeah. let me explain. Let me explain.
Okay, here. No, you can take the phone.
Oh,
is it on you?
I don't. They can hear me.
No, they can easily see you.
Okay, well.
Here, just hold it.
Hey, notary friends in Georgia. So
they're everywhere nationwide, not just Georgia.
Hey, notary friends. So quick story. I work in the medical field. I'm getting older and I'm tired, and I work so hard for people in the medical field. I have great customer service. I love my patients, but I want to do something else. I can't be on my feet and on my back. It's taking a toll physically. I want to work with my brain. I didn't want to do documents at first, but I work so hard for other people. Why not work hard for Karen and give Karen a try? So anyhow, I bought the book. I did the work. I went on my sister's website. I'm sorry.
Start Your Notary Business book. Let's be clear.
Yeah, I bought the book.
Start Your Notary Business. For
oh my God, it was no. The book was just so informative about the questions to ask, knowing that you are a notary and you can't do packages, finance and home mortgage and all that. So anyhow, long story.
The book for Georgia.
For Georgia. But long story short. I want to change my life and work for myself. I'd be out here with her randomly. She gets phone calls, she gets work, and I'd be like, you charge how much for 30 minutes? And it take me this long to make that money? Now, granted, I could probably take some travel assignments, but again, that's still working for someone else. I want to give me a try. I want to be an entrepreneur. It's in my blood. My mother and father did it. My sister did it. My brother did it. Even my blind disabled sister sold jewelry from her apartment, okay? And did rather well. So you can be an entrepreneur. But anyway, my process was I bought my sister's book. I read the book. It took me 4 days. I took the online assessment. You got to carve aside maybe an hour and a half because it's a lot of reading.
For Georgia.
Well, for Georgia, you want to read. I don't think it was a test. I did some practice tests and I went over some of the notary language. I wanted to be familiar with that. But anyhow, I had to do an online application, which you still have to download and print your application to bring in with you along with the certificate that you completed the course or whatnot. But anyhow, I'm excited, I'm happy, and I'm not sitting on my notary. I want to order my supplies. I want to be in these streets getting these coins because it's money to be made. And I'm excited. I'm excited for you all because y'all been doing your thing. I've been coming to meetings, listening, and
mentorship.
Yeah, I mean, it's a great, because I pay my way. I'm doing what I need to do. I'm ground up because I want to be successful and I want to know. I don't want to fluff it. I want to know in these streets. You have to know what you're doing when it comes to other people's documents in their life, and they're trying to get things done from out of the country. It's really serious, and I take all of my work. I have great work ethics, and I take pride in whatever I do, whether it's mopping the floor, cleaning the toilet. I don't care. Whatever I've done in my life, I'm gonna do it the very best of my ability. That's how I was raised. But I'm done. I'm ready to order my supplies and move on with my life. Thank you all for listening.
Hey guys, isn't that great? Hey, Brand says she looks just like Kimmi. Yeah, so look, I am so excited for her, guys. I'm gonna wrap up. Do y'all have any questions right quick before I wrap up? Let me put my seatbelt on just in case she starts driving. Any questions? And I'm just looking forward to her joining us and working with us, and hopefully she get a chance to work with some of you guys in mentorship. Hold on. There we go. I had to put my seatbelt on. Yeah, hopefully you can drive if you got to.
Okay.
Yeah, hopefully she get a chance to work with some of you guys in mentorship, and I'm just so happy for her.
Me too.
I'm gonna get a picture of her for the thumbnail. When we stop, I'll get your picture so I can put it on there so people can see what we're talking about today. But yeah, so my sister just got her notary commission, and she told you she's sick of working for other people. Now she gonna still keep her day job,
Of course.
and I don't tell nobody
For right now.
Yeah.
So I blow up.
And I never tell people to quit their day job. I do not. I believe, I'm a firm believer in a bird in the hand beats two in the bush. Now I'm not trying to get the bird that's in the bush. I'm gonna keep the one right here. I got one birdie right here, but I see that other bird. I'm gonna use the other hand to get the other one. Okay. I'm gonna have my friends and family help me get that bird. All right. So we ain't just leaving birds on the table. Look, y'all, we ain't leaving birds on the table, just like we ain't leaving no money on this notary table, okay? We're gonna try to get it all, serving as a witness, teaching your family member how to be a notary, etc., etc. Well, I'm gonna get out of here because she is driving and I don't want to be a distraction. But yes, again, congratulations, Kay Denise.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It feels good.
It feels good. I knew that it would. Y'all better get ready. Y'all ain't ready for this. Y'all not ready for this. I'm telling you, y'all not ready for this. Detroit versus Detroit via Georgia via ... Y'all ain't ready for me and my sister. Okay? This notary business about to blow up. All right, y'all. Well, we out on behalf of Kimmi and Kay Denise. See y'all. Bye-bye. All things notary, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Hey, all courses are 60% off too. Coupon code is WIN, WIN 2025. WIN 2025, notaryeducators.com. And don't forget mentorship. All inclusive program is only one we're offering again. $47. I found that that's what most people wanted. So we got to listen to the people when it comes to products. I will say this, you have to do the same thing in your business. I may say I'm going to do this and somebody else say they want to do that. But the people have spoken and we are going back to just the $47 option, which includes all your courses, live training, and let's just get it. Okay, bye guys.